Last time, we drew a cute makeup set, and you all loved it. Today, we're taking it a step further. A full vanity table. Start by drawing the table base. Add a big mirror on top of the table. Draw the stool in front of the table. Draw makeup brushes in a cup on one side and lipsticks on the other. Go over all the lines with a darker pen to make everything stand out. Bright colors make it pop.
Lulu, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou, Lulu, skip to my Lou, Lulu, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. My Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, 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 skip. Sing, little bird, sing soft and low through the storm and the wind, let your sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet, dance to the song though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray, hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night, smile little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute drawing tutorials. See you in the next video.
Hickory